Hi everyone, today we'll be talking about the design choices that were made in creating the infographic on Latinx students in higher education. In working on this infographic, the goal was to create something that would provide the audience with the most information possible, with everything still being easily accessible, which is why everything is in center alignment with relation to its placement on the page and to each other, making it easier for the audience to read, reducing the struggle of trying to find or understand the information. A template was used in the creation of this infographic. This helped in kickstarting the design process. However, since the original template was one for a gaming theme, some things had to be changed. One of them would be the gaming graphics or icons that were used. Those were changed to relate to the theme of higher education, helping with creating similarity and anomaly. This is when a cluster of images or icons are similar, with a small number being different in design or color, drawing attention to the information displayed. The anomaly was created with the graduation caps, drawing more attention to the information of male to female student ratio. One of the other things that were kept from the original template would be the color scheme. This is due to the fact that the high color contrast created by the yellows and the blues created something that was not only pleasing to the eye, but would also grab the attention of the audience. Another thing that was kept from the original template was the font. I thought this created some depth to the piece, creating a cohesive image, really tying everything in together. The large font also made this easier to read. Thank you all for your time. I hope you all agree with the design decisions that were made in the creation of this project. If there are any questions, feel free to ask.